Are you tired of your Windows desktop looking the same every single day? If you're ready to refresh your workflow with something new, stylish, and visually stunning, today, I'm showing you 5 incredible Windows themes you absolutely must try. Let's get started. Theme number 1, Fluent Dark Mode. If you love a clean, modern look, this theme is perfect for you. Fluent Dark Mode brings smooth shadows, deep blacks, and glowing UI elements inspired by Microsoft's Fluent design language. It's elegant, easy on the eyes, and ideal for late-night work sessions. Plus, it pairs beautifully with dark wallpapers and neon icons. Theme number 2, macOS Style Theme. Yes, you can give your Windows PC a complete Mac-inspired makeover. With this theme, you get rounded corners, a sleek dock at the bottom, and soft pastel accents that look just like macOS. It's smooth, minimalistic, and makes your desktop feel incredibly premium. If you love the Apple aesthetic but prefer Windows performance, this theme gives you the best of both worlds. Theme number 3, Cyberpunk Neon. For those who enjoy futuristic vibes, glowing elements, and sci-fi colors, the Cyberpunk Neon theme is a must-try. Think electric pinks, deep purples, and bold blues lighting up your desktop. Paired with moving neon wallpapers, your PC instantly transforms into a digital world straight out of a video game, perfect for gamers, creators, and anyone who loves dramatic visuals. Theme number 4, Minimal White Theme. Not everyone likes bold colors, sometimes simple is better. The Minimal White theme gives you a bright, clean interface with soft grayscale tones and super light elements. It reduces visual clutter and creates a calm, distraction-free workspace. If you want a theme that feels professional and refreshing, this one is a game changer. Theme number 5, Nature and Earth Elegance. If you want your PC to feel peaceful and grounded, this theme focuses on nature-inspired colors. Think forest greens, warm browns, mountain blues, and soft textures inspired by wood and stone. Pair it with high-resolution nature wallpapers, and your desktop instantly becomes a relaxing digital environment, perfect for productivity and mental focus. Bonus tip: you can mix these themes with custom icon packs, taskbar mods, and animated wallpapers to create a setup that looks truly unique. So those are 5 stunning Windows themes to completely transform your desktop experience. Whether you prefer minimal, futuristic, or nature-inspired looks, there's something here for everyone. Try one today. Your PC will feel brand new again. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.